All right, let's jump right into this explainer. Today, we're exploring a truly massive shift happening right now in software development. We're talking about the transition from manually typing out every single line of code to actually managing your own team of highly efficient, frankly, adorable coding agents using Devin Desktop. It's a completely new way to work, and the underlying technical architecture is just incredibly cool. Look at this quote from the source material because it really hits the nail on the head. The work of software engineering is shifting toward agent management. I mean, think about that for a second. The best engineers aren't just acting as typists anymore, right? They're scoping, they're planning, and they're delegating. You're basically acting as an engineering manager for a team of tireless digital workers. So to see how this works under the hood, we'll quickly cover the era of agent management, explore the agent command center, look at organizing work with spaces, dive into the adaptive model picker, and finally, unpack the ACP Open Standard. Okay, kicking things off with Section 1, the era of agent management, a really sweet paradigm shift. So let's contrast legacy pair programming with true agent management. In the old setup, you're sitting there pairing with one AI at a time, just going back and forth on a single file. It's kind of tedious, right? But with the new model, you're scoping the entire project, delegating distinct chunks to cloud agents, and then simply reviewing what they ship. It's a much more powerful, highly leveraged workflow where you orchestrate the whole team to get things done. Moving right along to Section 2, the Agent Command Center. This is your cozy control hub. Right out of the gate, the source highlights a massive performance leap with Devin Local, which is the agent harness that actually runs on your machine. Get this, it's an impressive 30% more efficient than their previous harness. For you, that translates directly to faster execution, way less waiting around, and just a remarkably smoother local development experience. Now, Devin Local acts as your secure harness, and it's got some real superpowers. It can spawn independent background subagents, which means your main agent can keep chugging along while it delegates subtasks. And crucially, you hold the keys. You get fine-grained allow, ask, or deny permissions for file reads, writes, and network access. There's even optional OS-level sandboxing. So you're giving the AI power, for sure, but you are setting very strict, secure boundaries to keep your local environment perfectly safe. All right, on to Section 3, organizing work with spaces. Tidy little workspaces. This right here is a totally vital part of the technical architecture. A space isn't just a folder on your hard drive, it's practically a dedicated war room. Inside a single space, you've got your agent sessions, your pull requests, your project files, and your shared context, all logically grouped together. Because they share the exact same sandbox and context window, your related agents can actually collaborate seamlessly on a single task. The absolute game changer here is that when you spin up new sessions inside a space, they seamlessly inherit that existing context. You never have to re-explain the whole project from scratch. Switching spaces is literally just switching tasks, and every single task comes equipped with a dedicated team of agents that already deeply understands what you're trying to do. It almost completely eliminates the friction of context switching. Which brings us to Section 4, the adaptive model picker. Smart and adorable routing. So Devin essentially acts as an intelligent traffic cop to optimize your performance and cost. For those quick, simple tasks, it routes them to fast, efficient models, which saves your usage allowance. But when things get complicated, it automatically routes the complex work to heavy-duty, advanced models to handle the deep logic. You don't even have to think about it. The system is just constantly optimizing under the hood, stretching your computational resources as far as humanly possible. And the best part? You are not locked into a single ecosystem. The desktop natively supports all the major models, the latest stuff from Anthropic, OpenAI, and Google, alongside their own SWE family of models. Plus, it supports leading open models like Kimi, GLM, and DeepSeek. You literally always have the absolute best AI for the job right at your fingertips. Okay, rolling into Section 5, the ACP Open Standard, playing nicely together. Now we're getting into the real architectural magic. ACP stands for Agent Client Protocol. It's an open standard, and the source material makes a brilliant comparison here. ACP does for coding agents exactly what LSP, the language server protocol, did for language servers. If you know LSP, this is going to click instantly. Just like LSP standardized how our text editors talk to language intelligence, ACP standardizes how our developer environments talk to AI agents. So how does this actually look in practice? Well, because of the ACP protocol, the command center isn't tied exclusively to Devin's agents. You can easily plug into Codex CLI, OpenCode, or even a totally custom agent you built yourself. You can run them right side by side with Devin Local and manage the whole shebang from one unified interface. It gives you absolute architectural freedom to build the exact workflow you want. Before we wrap up, we've got a quick bonus section covering deep understanding and cloud delegation. To really help you grasp the code that's being written, there's Deep Wiki. This gives you symbol-level code-based understanding. You just Command-Shift-Click any function or variable, and you get a real, clear explanation of what it does and how it fits in, which you can instantly forward to your agent. On top of that, code maps give you system-level understanding. A specialized agent builds a visual, clickable execution map for you. It's absolutely brilliant for designing new features or sharing a quick onboarding link with a teammate. And finally, for those tasks that are just too massive to babysit locally, you have cloud delegation. With a single click, Devin sends the plan off to an autonomous cloud agent. It spins up a dedicated virtual machine, works the task completely end-to-end, it even uses a browser for testing, and then just opens a pull request for you. You can literally close your laptop, go grab a coffee, and let the cloud do the heavy lifting. It really is an incredibly exciting paradigm shift, isn't it? When your adorable, highly organized agents are the ones actually managing the heavy lifting and writing the code for you, what incredible things are you going to build next? I want to leave you pondering exactly how you'll use this newfound efficiency and architectural freedom in your own projects. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy building!